Hi there. Today I'm going to share a simple and funny story for shadowing practice. Shadowing means you repeat after me while I speak slowly and clearly. This helps your pronunciation, your confidence, and your English rhythm. I'll read the story in a calm voice with short pauses so you can follow easily. Take a deep breath. Relax, and get ready to repeat each line with me. Let's begin our story. Black Friday Mistake. My name is Elena, and today is Black Friday, the biggest shopping day of the year. I wake up early because I want good deals and I want to practice my English. I feel excited, but inside, I also feel nervous because English still scares me sometimes. I tell myself to stay calm, take it slow, and try my best in every conversation today. I make a small list with simple things: a wallet, home items, and a gift for my mom. My mom always dreams about a Michael Kors bag, and I want to give her one. I drink my coffee, look at my list again, and practice some sentences in English. I repeat easy phrases like, "How much is this?" and "Can you help me, please?" I check my phone, call an Uber, and tell myself, "Elena, you can do this." I think about my goal for today: speak English without fear, even if I make mistakes. When the Uber arrives, I take a deep breath and get inside with a small smile. I feel ready, or at least I hope I am ready for this long Black Friday adventure. Soon, my English will be tested in a way I never expected. Question for you. Do you also practice simple sentences before speaking English in real situations? I arrive at the mall, pay the Uber, and walk directly to the main entrance. There are many people, but I try to stay calm and focus on my English today. I follow the lines slowly and practice my sentences quietly inside my mind. A friendly woman in front of me turns around and says, "Busy day, right?" I smile and answer, "Yes, very busy. I want good deals for my family today." She laughs softly and says, "Good luck. You will find something nice." I feel proud because I understood everything and answered correctly without fear. Inside the mall, I check my list again and decide to visit another store first. I walk into Target to look for a small gift for my husband. An employee approaches me and says, "Can I help you find something?" I answer calmly, "Yes, I need a simple watch, something not expensive." He shows me 2 watches, and I understand his explanation perfectly. For a moment, I feel strong. Like my English is finally growing. I choose a watch, say thank you, and feel happy with my small progress. As I leave the store, I look at my list again and think about my next stop. The big moment is coming soon. The Michael Kors store is waiting for me. I don't know it yet, but my biggest English mistake of the day is very close. Question for you. Have you ever felt proud after understanding a simple conversation in English? After Target, I feel a little tired, so I decide to take a small break. I go to the food court and look for something quick and easy to eat. A worker at a small restaurant smiles at me and says, "What can I get you? I want chicken." So I say, "Can I have the chicken plate, please?" He answers fast, "White rice or fried rice?" But I hear something strange and think he says, "Why rice?" I feel confused and answer, "Because I like it, I think." He looks at me for 2 seconds and then laughs kindly. He repeats slowly, "White rice or fried rice?" I finally understand and say, "Oh, white rice, please." "Sorry, my English is learning." He smiles and says, "No problem. Your English is good. You are doing great." I feel better because he is patient and friendly with my small mistake. I sit down, eat my food, and think about my goal for today. I want to be brave, speak more, and stop feeling afraid of errors. I look at my list again and see the most important item for my mom. The Michael Kors store is my next stop, and I feel a mix of fear and excitement. I finish my food and tell myself, "Elena, you can do this. Just try." I stand up, throw away my trash, and walk toward the luxury stores area. I don't know it, but my funniest mistake of the day is waiting for me there. Question for you. Do you also get confused when someone asks a simple question too fast? I arrive at the Michael Kors store and take a deep breath before entering. I really want a beautiful bag for my mom, so I try to stay confident. I walk slowly and look at the shelves until I find a simple black bag. I hold it in my hands and imagine my mom smiling when she receives it. A store employee walks toward me and says, "That one is on sale today." I smile and answer, "Great. I want this one for my mom. She loves this brand." He nods and says, "Perfect. I can help you at the counter when you are ready." I follow him and practice a few sentences in my mind before speaking again. At the counter, he scans the bag and smiles kindly at me. Then he asks, "Do you want to join our bag protection program?" But I hear something different and think he says, "Back protection program." My eyes open wide because the question sounds very strange to me. I answer slowly, "No, thank you. My back is okay today." He looks confused for 1 second and then tries again more clearly. But I still hear back protection, so I add, "I do exercise. My back is strong." A woman behind me smiles softly, and the employee tries not to laugh. He finally says with a gentle voice, "Bag protection for the purse, not your back." I feel warm on my face and say, "Oh, sorry. I think I hear wrong. English is hard." He smiles and says, "It's okay. It happens every day. You are doing great." I breathe deeply and try to finish the purchase without another mistake. But I don't know, something else is coming. A small surprise I didn't expect. Question for you. Have you ever misunderstood a word and said something completely different. The employee finishes the payment and gently places the bag inside a small box. I thank him again and try to calm my mind after my funny misunderstanding. Before I leave, the woman in line smiles and says, "Don't worry, I make mistakes too." Her kind words make me feel lighter, and I smile back with real gratitude. I hold the box tightly and walk slowly toward the mall exit. I think about the long day and all the small moments when I tried my best. Some moments were easy, and some moments were confusing, but I kept speaking. I remember the worker at the food court, the woman in line, and the helpful employee. Each person was patient with me, and that gives me more confidence to continue. I understand now that mistakes are normal when we learn a new language. I also understand that people are usually kind, especially when they see you trying. With every conversation today, I learned new words and new courage. I feel proud because I did not stay quiet or hide from English. I spoke, I tried, I learned, and I grew a little more. When I get outside, I take a deep breath and smile at my small victory. The bag for my mom is beautiful, but my favorite gift today is my progress. I tell myself softly, "Elena, keep going. You are getting stronger every day." Learning English takes time, but every mistake is a small step forward. And today, I took many steps, and I am ready for more tomorrow. Question for you. What is one English mistake that helped you grow or learn something new?